so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Meekah! Hi, it's me, Meekah, and today I'm at the gingerbread factory in Leavenworth, Washington. This place is so cool because they're known for making gingerbread. Have you ever had a gingerbread cookie before? Oh, they're so yummy, and I love it when they have icing on them. I want to know how icing is made, and I bet I can find out in here. Come on. Whoa, look at all of these delicious looking desserts. But that's not the icing I'm talking about. Oh, look at these cookies, yum. But you don't have any icing on them. Let's keep looking. Whoa, look how big that cinnamon roll is. Ooh, and that has yummy icing on it. And these cookies, they're shaped like hearts. Oh, they're so cute. I really like this pink one with the rainbow sprinkles. That's the kind of icing I want to make. Hello.
Hello there.
I'm Meekah. What's your name?
I'm Ashley.
Oh, nice to meet you, Ashley.
You too.
Are you a baker?
I sure am.
Oh, so I bet you know how to make icing.
The sugary good stuff?
Yes, that's my favorite.
I sure do. Do you want to know how to?
Yes, please.
All right, come with me.
Oh, awesome. Let's go. I'm so excited.
So before we get to creating in the kitchen, we've got to wash our hands.
Oh, yeah. Let's
Okay.
get our hands clean. So excited to make icing. Okay, so first things first, get some soap. Wash my hands. It's important to have clean hands when you're baking or cooking so you don't get any germs in the ingredients. Keep everything nice and clean. All right. Whoa, that's a lot of I don't know what.
Yeah. So friend, this is 10 pounds of powdered sugar, the first ingredient to making icing.
That's a ton of sugar.
Yeah. Do you want to dump it in the bowl so we can get started?
Oh, sure.
Okay.
Oh, do I need to wear anything special?
Oh, you're so right. We're going to have our apron.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, this way we can keep all of the messes off of our clothes.
You're so right.
Okay, so the first thing is gonna be the powdered sugar in this big bowl.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Whoa. Oh, it's heavy.
Good job.
Looks like snow. Whoa.
Perfect.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Now it's snowing in the kitchen. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's still some more. There's more.
All right.
Oops, sorry for the mess, Ashley.
Oh, you look great. The next ingredient is meringue powder.
Whoa, what is that for?
That's to make the sugar whip together into icing.
Whoa, okay. Maybe this will make such a big mess. Oh no, that was much better.
Yeah. Last but not least, we need the water to liquefy it.
Oh, okay, the whole thing?
The whole thing.
Some water.
Yeah.
This is gonna make a lot of icing.
And so I don't have a poof on me. We're gonna have you mix that up till it's nice and liquidy.
Whoa! You need some big muscles to mix all this icing together. Whoa, I can smell it. It smells really sweet. Round and round, get all the ingredients together. Okay, is that good?
I think that's looking pretty good.
Okay.
All right. Want to give that a little ting-ting?
Okay, a couple of tings.
Three more.
Okay.
All right. Now I'm going to put this guy onto our lovely machine and we're going to get to mixing until it's nice and whipped.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
Wow. This machine is so cool.
And so helpful.
Yeah, it's gonna mix everything together to make a really nice, smooth icing.
Those grandmas before had to do it all by hand.
Wow.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa. It's so cool. Come look. Okay, I cleaned up a little bit. Now I'm really ready to make some icing.
Just in time, it just got done.
Oh, yes!
Yeah, so actually you wanna learn how to make a decorating cone?
Yeah, that sounds so cool.
All right, awesome. I'm so glad to hear that. So we got this bowl.
Okay.
All right, and there's a spoon already in there. Do you wanna scoop a couple of heaping spoonfuls out?
Heaping.
Yeah.
That means big. Okay.
Oh,
Whoa.
yeah.
Look at that. Some more in there.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, we made a lot of icing. Okay. Whoa.
Perfect.
Nice and fluffy. Look at that. Okay.
Okay, so next, you're gonna take one of these bags
Okay.
and you're gonna fold it so we can hold it without getting our hands
Fold
dirty.
it so you can hold it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, now what?
Perfect. You're gonna hold it just like a cup. And here's your tip.
Oh, thank you.
This is what helps us push the icing through. And
Oh.
we're gonna slide it right on in, all the way to the bottom.
That.
Perfect. Now you're gonna take your spoon and just put a couple of spoonfuls in there. Not
All right.
too much.
Oh no, I'm gonna get messy again.
It's okay.
It's fun to get messy. Woo! All right.
Nice catch.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All
Should I
right.
start squeezing it down?
Push it down just a little.
Down just a little. With it still folded?
Fold it up.
Fold it up.
Yeah. Perfect. I'm gonna steal some too, so we're on the same page.
Push it down. See it?
Yeah. And I'm gonna do just a little.
How's
You
that?
did great. Yeah. So to make sure it doesn't all come out the top, we have these lovely little clips.
Oh, so I can
Yeah.
fold it down,
Fold it up
fold it up.
and around.
Oh.
Yeah, and then we push down.
Push, push, push.
Oh, perfect.
Okay.
Here's your lovely little clip.
Thank you.
Here's my lovely little clip, and we clip it on. Awesome. We're ready to decorate now.
All right, let's do it.
Let's go. Yeah.
Look at all of this. I see candy. We could decorate with candy, and there's so many different kinds of cookies. Wow, look at this. A little person. It's so cute. And do you know what color this is? It's one of my favorites. Purple. It's a purple rectangle. And look at this really bright circle. It's orange. Ooh, and here's one of my other favorite colors. Do you know what it is? Yellow. Nice. Kind of looks like a sunshine. And a blue square. Look at that. These colors are so bright and cool. And there's little circles. Look, they can be eyeballs. Hello. All right, what should I decorate first? Ashley, what do you think?
Oh, well, if you don't want to use white, I made all these extra colors for you.
You did?
I did.
Wow. I see purple and yellow and blue. Wow. Okay, let's see. I think I'm going to make a little person. Maybe I'll use purple because I love it so much. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna do a purple shirt. And yellow pants. Oh, it's so cute. And maybe some white curly hair. And let's see. I'm gonna do a blue face. Eyes and a smile. It kind of looks
Grandma.
Yummy! Woo! And maybe I'll decorate this one with a big yellow. See if you know what this is. It's the letter M for Meekah. Oh, this is so fun. And it really makes it easier to decorate in these bags. Makes it easier to write things. Look at that funny cookie. And a smile. So cute. Hey, do you know who this is? Huh? That's right, it's me, Meekah. This is so much fun decorating these cookies. Oh, hey Ashley.
Hey, friend.
Hey.
How'd you like decorating today?
Oh, I love it. It's so much fun. And I made you a little something. I'm getting pretty good at decorating. Do you know who this is?
It's you.
That's right. And I made it just for you.
Wow, thank you.
You're welcome. And I also made, do you know?
It's Blippi.
That's right, my best friend Blippi. I made this for you too.
Thank you so much.
Well, thank you so much for teaching me how to make icing.
Anytime, friend.
Oh, I'll see you next time.
Bye.
Wow, this has been so cool learning how to make icing and how to decorate cookies. Look. Hello. Hello. We're best friends. Well, that's the end of this video. But if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Great. Meekah. Meekah. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye. Bye-bye. Come on, everyone. Let's make learning fun. Meekah, Meekah. So much to learn about.